Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint my Twice More and More nail art design. Start by applying base coat to protect your natural nails and to preserve your manicure on top. I'm going to be painting my index fingernail a sheer shimmer, my middle fingernail black, my ring fingernail a turquoise shimmer, my pinky fingernail white, and my thumbnail red. On the index fingernail, I'm taking cling wrap to apply the following colors towards the cuticle. Now I'm going in with gold polish to draw in the design. So I started off with a horizontal to separate the burst of color on top from the shimmer on the bottom, and then I'm just drawing these sort of vertical lines going towards my cuticle, and I made it so that the lines kind of gather up or join at my cuticle. And then for the sheer portion of my nail, I'm going to be doing the same, but they're just kind of going in the opposite direction, and I'm also going to be lining the tip. On the middle fingernail, I'm going to be painting a design inspired by the set on Water and that the girls dance in front of, and it's just this beautifully vibrant stained glass structure, and I thought it fit very nicely with the summer theme. It also looked really nice in daylight and also in nighttime. Now I'm just going in with black polish to clean up this triangle shape, and I'll also be adding the lines on the inside that basically just separates every part into its own little shard. For the ring fingernail, I wanted to recreate the sparkly spider webs in Taeyong's scenes, and I just thought that it looked really pretty and that it represented the whimsical character of the music video. And I added a lot of glitters and stuff just to make it very fun, and also to help the spider webs pop off of the base color, which is already shimmery. The pinky fingernail design is similar to the index fingernail one, but we're using the entire nail and adding more white. For the thumbnail, I went very simple. I just wanted to use gold polish to write more and more in the font style that's used on the cover. I just really liked the simplicity, and also this title takes up a lot of space anyways, so it actually used up the space very well. The weird thing about the text here is that the first more is a little bit messier, a little bit rougher than the second one, so it's going to kind of be a little wonky in terms of its placement and its orientation, but then the second one is going to be a lot neater and just like how it looks when it's typed out. The last step is just to add a few specks of the base color on top of the first more. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. This is my finished Twice More and More nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is just a very fun and vibrant summer design, so I hope you guys enjoy recreating it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone!